Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope everyone is having a great day so far. Thank you all for joining me once again for this week's CVS deals. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I also like to have you as a part of this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll make sure I get to it. Let's go see what deals we can find. The first deal I'll be talking about will be a very good money maker. It's on CoverGirl, buy 3 get $10 back, and this is a limit of 1. If your store still have the perfect blend pencil, it's priced at $4.99. Pick 3 of them up, but my store is out, so I'll be picking up the twin brow pencils, priced at $5.79. 3 of them will come up to $17.37. And there is a $4 coupon in 618 savings start. If you have it, use 3. Everybody received a $4 instant CRT today. With the 3 $4 coupon and the $4 instant CRT, it will bring it down to $1.37 and I will get back 10, making all 3 items free and an $8.63 money maker. The next deal will be on spend 15, get $5 back on any Secret, Gillette or Old Spice deodorant, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Old Spice deodorant priced at $8.49. 2 of them will come up to $16.98. I still have my 3 off 2 CRT we received last week, and today we received another 3 off 2 digital coupon that will also apply to this. It will bring it down to $10.98 and get $5 back. Check your Ibotta cost mine. I have a $2.50 back on each item, limit of 5. When the $2.50 come back, that will be $5. It will bring it down to 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal will be on Speed Stick deodorant. The twin pack is on buy 2, get $2 back, and it's on sale for buy 1, get 1 half off. Picking up 2 of the ones priced at $6.79. 2 of them will come up to $10.19. Use 2 of the 75 cents coupon from speedstick.com. It will bring it down to $8.69 and get $2 back, making both items $6.69 or $3.34 each. The Dove hair care is on buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back, limit of 1. Picking up the Dove shampoo and conditioner, mix or match however way you want. 2 of them will come up to $8.24. And check your email if you're signed up with Unilever. I have a 75 cents coupon for each one of them. That will bring it down to $6.74 and I'll get $5 back, making both items $1.74 or 87 cents each. Garnier whole blend is on sale for $2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back, limit of 1. Picking up 1 shampoo and conditioner, mix or match however way you want. 2 of them will be $8. I have this 3 off 2 coupon I got from coupons.com last week. It expired yesterday, but if your store accepts it, you can use it. Everybody received another 3 off 2 digital coupon that will also double dip with this one. It will end up paying $2 and get $2 back, making both items free. The next deal will be on Garnier Fructis. It's on sale for $2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back, limit of 1. Picking up 1 of the shampoo and the conditioner, 2 of them will be $8. We received a 3 off 2 in our app today, and I have a matching 3 off 2 I got from coupons.com as well that expired yesterday. When these 2 coupons apply, it will bring it down to $2 and I'll get $2 back, making both items free. The next deal is on buy 2 Clairol hair color, get $4 back, limit of 1. I'll be picking up 2 of the Nice and Easy hair color, priced at $9.49 each. 2 of them will come up to $18.98. We all received a 6 off 2 digital coupon today in our app, and I have this free hair color CRT that will take off $9. When the CRT and the coupon apply, it will bring it down to $3.98. I'll pay that and get $4 back, making both items free. Select Colgate toothpaste is on the deal of buy 2, get $5 back, limit of 2. Picking up 2 of the Optic Whites, priced at $4.99, will come up to $9.98. Everybody received a $2 coupon in our app today, and I also have another $1 that will work on this as well. It will bring it down to $6.98, and I'll get $5 back, making both items $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal will be on spend $20 on any Aquaphor or Eucerin facial care, get $10 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Eucerin hydrating cleanser, priced at $10.99 each. These 2 items will come up to $21.98. And I have this $2 coupon. I got this coupon from my doctor's office. It works on this. It will take off $4, bringing it down to $17.98, and I'll get $10 back. Check your Ibotta, cause mine, I have a $2 back on each one of them. That will be a total of $4. It will end up making these 2 items $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal is on buy any antifungal or anti-itch, you get $5 back, limit of 1, and this can be a good filler item if you have a 10 off 70. Picking up one of the Stink Kill disposable swabs at $6.59. I don't have any coupon for this, so I have to pay the $6.59, get $5 back, making it just $1.59. Spend $15 on Cottonelle or Scott, get $5 back, limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the Cottonelle flushable wipes at 2 for $10. And also picking up 1 of the Scott paper towel on sale for $5.49. These 3 items will come up to $15.49. I don't have any coupon for this, so I have to pay the $15.49 and get $5 back, making all 3 items $10.49 or $3.49 each. And this will be a good deal to add to a 10 off of 70 if you have that. This week we have a spend 20 get $5 back, and normally these detergents are part of the spend 30 get 10. Picking up 1 of the Downy fabric conditioner on sale for $6.99, and to get to 20, add the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99. These 2 items will come up to $19.98, which is within the 98% rule. If you're doing this deal, make sure your store follows that. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and also a $1 app coupon for the Downy as well. That will bring it down to $15.98, and I'll get $5 back, making both of them $10.98 or $5.49 each. If you have a next purchase CRT, let's say 10 off 70, this will be a good deal to add to it. Schick Men Razor is part of the buy 2, get $4 back, and they're on sale for 2 for $14. Picking up 2 of the men's razor, use the 5 off 2 digital coupon everybody received today, and also in 6-4 savings set, there is a $4 coupon as well that will double dip with the one we have in our app. It will bring it down to $5 and you get $4 back, making both items $1 or 50 cents each. Another way to do this deal, if you have a 4 off 20 Schick CRT, is to pick up 3. 2 of them will be $14, and if you look at the tab, you will see where it says 2 for $14 or 1 for $8.29. That means 2 for $14 and the third one will be $8.29. These 3 items will come up to $22.29. Using the 5 off 2 Schick digital coupon, and use 2 of the $4 from the 6-4 savings set and also the 4 off 20 Schick CRT, it will bring it down to $5.29 and you get $4 back, making all 3 items $1.29 or 43 cents each. The next items are not giving back any extra care box, but the Nature Valley granola bar are on sale for $1.99. Picking up 2 will bring it up to $3.98, and we have a 50 cents off 2 digital coupon that apply to this and bring it down to $3.48. Pay that, submit the receipt to Ibotta because I have a 25 cents on each pack. That will be 50 cents back, making both items $2.98 or $1.49 each. Another items on sale for $1.99 is Rice Krispie Treats. Picking up 2 will make it $3.98. Check their website, that's Kellogg website, and print out a $1 off 2 Rice Krispies coupon. It will bring it down to paying just $2.98 for both items. If you need Pop-Tarts, they're also on sale for $1.99 each. Picking up 2 will make it $3.98. And also on Kellogg website, you'll print out a $1 off 2 Pop-Tarts coupon. Using that will bring it down to $2.98 for both boxes. The last 2 items I'll be sharing in this video will be on select Kellogg cereal. They're on sale for 2 for $4. It's not giving back any extra care box, but check Kellogg website because there is a $1 off 2 Kellogg cereal coupon. Using that will bring it down to $3, making both items $3 or $1.50 each. And this concludes my video. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great and a safe week. Bye bye.